Hello, my name is Andreas and today I will show you how you can use CODEO to develop your own application. Let's have a look.
Welcome to A Cup of CODEO, your 5-minute tutorial.
We start in the CODEO main perspective. In the Project Explorer I have an integration project prepared. Let's have a look. This is the basic project overview. It's organized in groups and components. The default group holds the PikeOS service partition. The board support package holds the drivers and the kernel. Underneath there's the application group, holding a PikeOS partition component and a PikeOS native process component. A component is a high-level configuration element, allowing you to assemble a PikeOS project very quickly. Let's have a deeper look. If I select a PikeOS component, I get access to the parameters. Parameters are configuration options on a high abstraction layer. These allow you to set up the configuration without the need to know all the details. The important part here is the process binary, defined by the host file parameter. It's the reference to the actual binary file that is executed on the target. As you can see, by default it's taken from something that's called a PikeOS pool. A PikeOS pool is actually a root folder where you can refer files from. It's inside your PikeOS installation. I want to change this now. I want to select the binary file created by my own. Therefore I select the custom pool. The custom pool is a reference on my local pool directory inside my workspace. This is created by CODEO on default. Now with this set, the integration project is taking the binary from my workspace. Let's save it. Now let's have a look into the pool. It's currently empty. I want to create a new application project now and install the binary in the custom pool, so that my integration project can use it. As usual, we will use the project wizard. First I have to choose a project name. I have to take care for the right PikeOS version and for the project type PikeOS native project. Then I can choose one of the demo templates. For this demonstration I use Hello World. Now I can set the target architecture. This needs to match with the integration project. I use ARM v7. For pool I choose Create Custom Pool for me. This will tell CODEO to take care for everything. With this, CODEO will configure the custom pool to be located in my workspace. The application project looks similar to the integration project. I have different options on the left side and parameters on the right side. I can use the parameters to configure the build behavior or to disable and enable certain features, like debugging and tracing support. The important part here is the installation directory. This will tell CODEO where to install the binary into. Hello World project is by default configured to the custom pool. Let's have a look into the code. The Hello demo contains a Hello C file. This is a very basic program, but it's enough to demonstrate how it works. Let's just do some changes in here. Now we can save. The next step, we build the project. It's important to choose the target install. This will take care that the binary will go into the PikeOS custom pool. Let's check the pool. First I have to refresh. Here it is. The Hello Elf file is installed in my custom pool directory. Now I'm able to build the integration project. To run the boot image, I use a simulation target that I can quickly start from the CODEO IDE. The output is printed to the console, and as we can see, it's running our own ELF file. This is how you can add your own application binary to your PikeOS integration project.
And that's how you can add your own application. That's it. See you next time.
You can try out our CODEO IDE together with a free ELinOS test version. Go to our website and start your experience.